What's up guys, buongiorno from Italy. Today we're gonna talk about taxes, a real quick video for this Friday. In the world of taxes, every self-respecting investor should learn the tax game. So who pays the highest taxes? This is the employee and the self-employed. What is the reason though? Most people don't really understand the game of taxes. The reason is because you do not have enough deductions to offset your income. And who pays the least amount of taxes is the investors and the business owners. The person who's employed or self-employed has $12,000 as of today of tax deduction, which is a standard tax deduction, unless you want to itemize, and those people have way less things to itemize. So generally your itemization is less than 12K. If you're married, you get to deduct up to $24,000. But again, you don't have enough things to itemize. Check your state, but back in the day, it was possible for you to itemize your interest of your house. Right now, I'm not 100% sure if it is. Maybe it depends on the state. But for a business owner and for the investor, you can itemize a lot more things. For example, this laptop is a business expense. Mouse is a business expense, my car is a business expense, or the mileage, depending how you want to appreciate it, how you want to depreciate it. All the properties, they are also tax deductible. They depreciate on paper. You can write off 100% of the interest that you pay in every and all repairs. So I have a lot more than $12,000 to depreciate. It's because the tax system is an incentive system. You're being given tax incentives if you do whatever the government wants you or needs you to do, such as providing housing, investing in oil and gas or oil research, and many others, but not here to, I'm not really a tax advisor, so you can actually read about them into various books. One of them that I'm going to recommend is Tax-Free Wealth, that I really like, and at the end of this video I'm going to have a quote from that book. If we invest into things that the government wants us or gives us incentives to invest, we will pay the least amount of taxes because we get tax advantages. Most people do not understand how that tax game works, unfortunately. This is why I love that sentence, and I've said it before. It is your duty as an American citizen to pay as least amount of taxes as possible. Because if you invest exactly what the government wants you to do, which should be your duty as Americans to care about the country and what the country wants to invest in, then the government will give you the best tax advantages, and then you're going to pay the least amount of taxes. So in a sense, your duty is to pay the least amount of taxes, because if you do so, you're going to be helping the country grow the way the government wants it to grow. And this is from the book Tax-Free Wealth. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. That's gonna cut it for today. I know it's short and sweet, but I'm on vacation. I don't really have much time. Sub, like, keep hustling, and don't forget the rule is not to look rich, but to be rich. Peace.